Ever feel like you're slowing down? Your energy isn't what it used to be, and you're looking for a simple way to feel younger and more vibrant. What if I told you that science has uncovered a few strange yet effective hacks that can help you turn back the clock without expensive treatments? Today, I'm sharing 7 weird science-backed health hacks that can make you feel 10 years younger. Stick around because you won't want to miss any of these easy, practical tips. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and drop a comment below with your weirdest health hack. Hack 1. Cold showers for energy and mood. Cold showers may sound uncomfortable, but there's science behind the chill. When exposed to cold, your body increases the production of norepinephrine, a chemical that helps you stay alert and focused. Cold showers can also reduce inflammation, which is one of the key factors in aging. Let's be honest, taking a cold shower isn't always fun, but starting with just 30 seconds at the end of your regular shower can be a game changer. It will wake you up, improve circulation, and leave you feeling refreshed for the entire day. Try this tomorrow morning. After your usual shower, switch the water to cold for 30 seconds. Over time, you can gradually increase that time. It's a small change with a big impact. What do you think? Could you handle a cold shower? Comment below if you're willing to give it a try. Hack 2. Intermittent fasting for cellular repair. You might have heard about intermittent fasting, but did you know it's more than just a diet trend? It's actually a scientifically proven method to repair cells and slow aging. When you fast for 12 to 16 hours, your body activates autophagy, a process where it cleans out old, damaged cells and creates new, healthy ones. This not only keeps your body in top shape, but also boosts brain function. If you're new to fasting, start with a 12-hour fast, which can be as simple as finishing dinner at 7 p.m. and having breakfast at 7 a.m. Once your body adjusts, you can try extending it to 16 hours, which maximizes the benefits. Imagine giving your body a reset every night, simply by changing the timing of your meals. It's one of the easiest ways to help your body repair itself. Are you up for trying intermittent fasting? Let me know in the comments. Hack 3. Chewing gum to boost brain power. This next hack might surprise you or catch you off guard. Chewing gum. It turns out that chewing gum increases blood flow to your brain, which can improve memory and focus. Plus, it's a great way to reduce stress. Several studies have shown that people who chew gum during cognitive tasks perform better than those who don't. So next time you need a quick mental boost, whether you're working, studying, or even just feeling a little sluggish, grab some sugar-free gum. It's an easy, on-the-go solution that keeps your brain sharp. Who knew something so simple could have such a big effect? If you're a fan of chewing gum, give this video a thumbs up. Hack 4. Walking barefoot, grounding, for better sleep. Walking barefoot on natural surfaces might seem unusual, but there's science to back up the benefits of grounding. When you connect directly with the Earth's electrons, it can reduce inflammation and even help improve your sleep quality. Studies suggest that grounding can regulate cortisol levels, your body's stress hormone, which in turn helps reset your sleep cycle. Spend just 15 minutes a day walking barefoot on grass, sand, or even soil. It's a simple and relaxing way to reduce stress and get better sleep. Can you imagine that a few minutes of barefoot walking could help you sleep like a baby? Try it out and let me know how it works for you. Hack 5. Fermented foods for glowing skin. Who doesn't want glowing skin? Believe it or not, fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kombucha can help with that. These foods are packed with probiotics, which are the good bacteria that improve your gut health. A healthy gut leads to clearer skin and less inflammation, 2 factors that keep you looking youthful. Add fermented foods to your diet a few times a week, and over time, you'll likely notice an improvement in your skin's texture and clarity. It's a delicious and easy way to promote both internal and external health. Have you tried fermented foods before? What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Hack 6. Deep breathing for cellular health. Deep breathing may sound too simple to make a difference, but it's a powerful tool for rejuvenating your cells. When you practice deep, controlled breathing, it increases oxygen flow throughout your body. This helps your cells repair themselves and also reduces cortisol, the stress hormone that accelerates aging. Here's a quick breathing exercise you can try. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Repeat this for 5 minutes a day, and you'll notice a sense of calm while boosting your cellular health. This is something you can do anywhere, anytime. Give it a try and see how much better you feel. Hack 7. Sleeping in a cold room to slow aging. Did you know that sleeping in a cold room can actually slow down the aging process? It's true. Research suggests that keeping your bedroom between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormones that repair your skin, muscles, and tissues. So, if you want to wake up feeling refreshed and looking younger, try turning down the thermostat. Your body will thank you, and you'll notice the difference in your energy levels and appearance. What's your ideal sleep temperature? Let me know in the comments. And there you have it. 7 simple science-backed hacks that can make you feel 10 years younger. From cold showers to deep breathing, these tips are easy to try and have real benefits for your body and mind. If you liked these tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more health hacks, and comment below with which hack you'll try first. Thanks for watching, and here's to feeling healthier and more vibrant.